Hello everyone, Dajahao for my Chinese friends. So this is my Docker image for fast 526 Dragon DB deploy. So if you want to use other versions, you can do it. It's very easy because I will publish this source code. So I will discuss it a little bit later. So my English is so bad, and please be patient, and we will start. What is the Docker? Docker is a system of containerization. You can create image and then start your container with settings which you will provide. So I am using Microsoft SQL Server 2090 for 526 version of server. I set credentials, password and username. Also, I prepare cleanest DB for fast deploy and scripts for processing tables to insert these tables in our DB and insert process users. It's create users with these credentials and to update some user roles permissions, I mean. So, and also this project contains SQL executor. It's a simple function for executing these queries because it was very hard for writing execution in container directly. So it also has SQL executor exe file. It's a file, builded file. So it has too large, but it's okay for Node.js applications. So what I want to show, one first step, what we should do is install Docker for Windows. As you can see, Docker Desktop, this is the first containerization software for developers and teams. You can click here, hover here, and then download for these processors types or here. So I have installed Docker Desktop already. Docker can installed only on Windows. Docker Desktop only on Windows, which supports VSL, Windows Subsystem Linux, and it should support virtualization. So it was done. Then what I should do is start all same day, but I want to describe some functions or parameters. What will be done, it's building Docker image with this name, then starting Docker image with this port mapping. Port mapping means that if you will make queries to this port, it will be automatically redirected to this port in our container, because our container will use this port. So we will start. We will just click here and open. It's building. Right. Creating volume for our SQL backups to haven't any errors with permissions. Then start Docker image. As you can see, we got ID of this Docker image. You can see this here logs. And then we are waiting timeout because SQL image needs some time to start project, to start database. Oh my god, I should restart, or maybe I should just press enter. Yes, it's okay. Processing tables query. As you can see, we will get, yes, database was restored for the world and then membership. It's okay, nice. Our script was completed and container successfully started. It also has now the world database and then membership, and also it has these users, Dragonest and ASP executor. So next thing what we should do, it's start our server. So we will go here, then our server, and then start. Oh, I have already should restart. Start. As you can see, starting was successful because our container is working fine. So I start with these credentials, yes, because in our Docker container part of SQL Server is this part, but we start this container with this port, with this, no, we set mapping from to, so I hope you understand. I don't sleep 24 plus hours. I can't describe what I mean. So I hope you understand. So then we can see that. So after this I should just start server. Oh, I forgot. I have already configured this section path for to GameRes folder and to server folder. It's basic. I hope you know how to do it if you're watching this video. So then I can start this server by the one click. Oh no, guys, I forgot. I want to show this. I forgot. We should set database, data administrator source data ODBC. Then system DSN SQL Server name, then membership server. We will use IP of our server. So if we are using this part, it will be this IP. So we will check by not Windows and C. We will check by SQL Server. Then I will write these credentials and then this password. use by default database, then membership, complete. And then we should also process for this database, then world for next database, recognized again, and then world, next. Okay, so now we can and start this. I will delete these logs and then just start server. So I hope it will work. Yes, it's works. You also can check logs. Connecting, it's okay. Initialized successful. Connect success. Here, connect success. And we are waiting starting of village and game servers processes. So it works. Also, you can check logs of your container. Login failed for this user because the server log it's not DB which we have. So as you can see, game was started successfully, and village also. We can check this. It really works fine. And game server works fine also. So if you don't want to use SQL Server as exe file, you should just install Node.js. Only Node, and then just npm install, and then start script. And I think that Linux supports this Docker image also, but I don't know how to provide all DBC options, but I hope it works. So I want to wish you luck in Dragonite server developments. So I want to add some information. If you has more users, you can just copy and add, and if you want more databases, you can just copy and enter, just change this, just change this, and then you also should add this, copy, yes, and add databases here, backups, and it's all, guys. I am very glad to see you on my channel. Good luck.